In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side inner tie rod on this Jeep Wrangler. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel. There's some push pins. I'm just going to use a trim tool and just pop these down, just like that. Those out. Then on the back side, there's some push pins. Pop those out. And just slide it down. We're going to remove the wheel. Use a 19mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. Grab the wheel, slide it off. I'm going to use a 21mm wrench and take off the nut up top here. Slide that nut up. I'm just going to leave a couple threads on there. That's good. With an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, we're just going to loosen up the adjuster sleeve. Just on this side. That's good. Now we're going to use a pickle fork to separate this. You can use other front end tool separators if you want. There we go. Take that nut off, slide it down, and we're going to unscrew it. You want to count the threads when you unscrew it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 27, 28, 28. Now slide the new tie rod in, and we're going to count the threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 27, 28. And then we'll slide it in place into the pitman arm. Put the nut on. And if you need to, you can use a pry bar or support underneath, or even use a wrench on top to stop the stud from spinning. And we'll tighten this up. I'm just going to put a little pressure. Just keep the stud from spinning. Don't raise the vehicle up there, but it should be good. With that tight, if you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque this to 77 foot-pounds. It's a little tough, so do the best you can. That's good. Lower the pull jack. Now tighten the adjuster sleeve, snug this down. Just move that over a little. That's good right there. Now we'll torque that to 26 foot-pounds. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. Slide this panel in place, get that lined up, put the push pins in, secure those down. And the pins in the back, slide those in place, lock them down. put the wheel on, and put the lug nuts on. Snug it down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 122 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.